Good morning students. I am Atul Vikram Goroda. Today I'll be teaching you the first chapter of computer, which is computer networking. A computer network is a collection of computers or other devices that are connected to each other in order to share data as well as hardware and software resources. A computer network can be small with just 2 computers or very large with millions of computers spread across the entire globe. The best example of computer networking that we are using is internet. Internet is an example of a globe computer network. A network can be wired or wireless. Computer networks are commonly used in educational institutions, business houses, hospitals, financial organizations, and media houses. Computer networks remove time and distance barriers all over the world and allow users to share information and communicate with each other. The need to communicate with different people in different parts of the world is paramount in today's world. An individual or an organization may not have all the resources, software, hardware, or information needed for efficient and productive communication. Computer networks provide a solution by allowing users to connect, communicate, and share information and resources with each other. So the types of computer networks. As per the geographical area, on the basis of geographical area which is covered by the computer network, we have divided it into 4 parts, such as local area network, personal area network, metropolitan area network, and wide area network. So what is a personal area network or PAN? PAN is a computer network organized within the environment of an individual user. It covers an area of a few meters in radius. It is commonly used to transfer pictures, songs, or small data files between the connected devices such as laptops, smartphones, tablets, MP3 players, and headphones. PANs can be wired media or wireless media. Local area network is a computer network which is usually confined to a single room, building, or a group of buildings. It covers an area of a few kilometers in radius. Local area networks are commonly used in places such as school, college campus, hospitals, and offices. Metropolitan area network is a network of computers within a city covering an area of hundreds of kilometers in radius. Metropolitan area networks are found by connecting multiple LANs together. Cable TV networks and networks between various branches of school, bank, hotel, and office within a city are examples of metropolitan area network or MAN. And the last example of computer networking is wide area network. Wide area network is a very large network that connects computers over a country, continent, or across the world. A wide area network usually consists of multiple smaller networks. Wide area networks use wireless technology, internet. ATMs and international business organizations use wide area network for their operations. So this is all about computer networking. Please go through your book and read all the portions whichever is written, and you will definitely understand what all things are written there, because it is very easy to understand the concept. Thank you.